I am Praful Sekhar of class 8 and I am from Pitts Modern School, Gomia. In this project, I have made a motor boat. For this, we need a battery, a switch, a motor and a fan. And this is the body of boat. There I have placed battery, switch, motor and fan, and there I have stick two heavy iron rudder strip for its balancing its weight, and there I have stick some nuts also to balance its weight, and then I have a stick two styrofoam for because it helps in floating, and when we will on the switch the fan start working, and when we will put this into a and when we will put this into a big tub the boat will start moving forward. In this the fan will throw air backward and the boat will move forward. In this, Newton's third law of motion will work, that is, every action has a reaction. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hola. Ahora.